Hello, little artists. Today, we are going to draw a happy ice cream and color it using colors we mix ourselves. Let's get started. Now draw the body underneath, like a soft cup. Next, draw 2 round cheeks and a crisscross cone at the bottom. Let's add 2 big eyes and a smiling mouth. Wow! Our ice cream is looking super cute already. Now let's mix some colors to make 3 brand new ones. White color, red color, yellow color, blue color. White plus red equals pink. White plus yellow equals orange. Blue plus white equals sky blue. See? With just a few colors, we made 3 amazing shades. Now let's use them to color our ice cream. Let's start coloring the ice cream slowly and carefully. Creamy top pink. Cone light orange. Cheeks sky blue. Eyes black. Smile dark red. Look how bright and cheerful our ice cream looks. All colored with our homemade colors. Your ice cream drawing is absolutely picture perfect. Great job, little artist.
With a smile so sweet and bright, 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 dressed in colors, your delight, dressed in colors, your delight, dressed in colors, your delight, dressed in colors, your delight.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Kiddo Color Club. We'll see you again with more fun and colorful drawings. Bye-bye.